Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Streamlabs, one of the best tools for live streaming and recording your screen. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or just want to make professional looking streams, Streamlabs has you covered. So let's get started. So first, open your browser, any of your preferred browser. Go to the official Streamlabs website. So I'm going to go to streamlabs.com, and then once you are on the website, this is actually where you can now download the Streamlabs software. So all you have to do, guys, is to come over here and click on this download desktop. So I'm going to click on that, and then it will start downloading. Right, so we just have to wait for this to be completed, and then we'll proceed to the next step. All right, so once download is complete, you have to go to your downloads, and then you are going to see the downloaded file. So all you have to do next is to just double click on it, and you'll get the option to install. So click on yes, and then the next thing you want to do is to click on this I agree button, and then you can now choose the location where you want these Streamlabs to be stored, and then just come down here and click on install. So once installation is completed, you are going to find these on your desktop. Right, so as you can see, I already have this installed, so I don't want to install it again. So that's it, guys. This is how you can install the Streamlabs application on your PC. All right, so hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up, and equally subscribe to get more updates on how to use the Streamlabs software. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.